Honda Amaze या Maruti Suzuki Dzire, कौन सी गाड़ी है बेहतर? Now this is a confusion everyone who's planning to buy a compact sedan is dealing with. And to help you out, I'm here, your host Mohit Bhardwaj. So without any further ado, let's get this sedan showdown started. Honda Amaze का डिज़ाइन थोड़ा ज़्यादा मैच्योर दिखाई देता है thanks to car makers new design language. But from the front it reminds you of the Elevate. From the sides it gives you a perspective of the second generation Amaze और rear face से ये गाड़ी सिटी की याद दिलाती है. The Dzire on the other hand sports an Audi-like grille and tri-arrow LED tail lamp. In my honest opinion, it's the Dzire that looks more proportionate and sporty. दोनों ही गाड़ियों में 15 इंच के डायमंड कट अलॉय व्हील्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. Dimensions भी दोनों के largely identical ही हैं except for the Dzire being 25 mm taller than the Amaze. But Amaze makes up for this difference with its higher 170 mm of ground clearance against Desire's 163 mm. लुक्स का मैटर है साहब, थोड़ा पर्सनल ओपिनियन भी मैटर करता है. सो लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो व्हिच वन यू थिंक लुक्स बेटर ऑफ द टू. Step inside the Dzire and it's clear. The dashboard feels more modern here with the use of multiple layers and multiple finishes. Also, the Dzire gets a larger touchscreen between the two and it comes with a more sophisticated sound system. हालांकि दोनों ही गाड़ियों में आपको एक 4 स्पीकर 2 tweeter सेटअप मिल जाता है. While the Dzire comes with a sunroof, it misses out on a modern instrument cluster. It gets analog dials with a small MID. यहाँ आपको ट्रेडिशनल मारुति सुजुकी बटन्स और स्टीयरिंग व्हील मिल जाता है, जो कि दूसरी मारुति की गाड़ियों की भी याद दिलाते हैं. The Dzire does get larger seats in comparison to the Amaze और यहाँ पर निकनाक रखने के लिए स्टोरेज स्पेसेस की भी कोई खास कमी आपको नहीं देखने को मिलेगी. In fact, both of these cars are ergonomically well sorted. Amaze, its dashboard looks more purposeful and distinctive. However, my favorite bit here remains this steering wheel. It comes off straight from the city, but I really wish that it was leather wrapped like the Dzires. Also, Amaze gets a part digital and part analog instrument cluster जो कि Elevate से borrow किया गया है. Now this one looks better than what we have seen on the Dzire. While the Desire's dashboard looks aesthetically more pleasing, I think the Amaze's dashboard comes with a better fit and finish quality. Also, all the buttons here, they feel a bit more hefty to use. The front seats of the Amaze come with a shorter seat scope, thereby limiting the under thigh support. Also, Dzire में जो touch screen है वो आपको driver की तरफ tilted मिलता है, whereas in Amaze it is straightforward, centrally aligned. In terms of rear seat legroom and under thigh support, it's the Amaze that scores higher marks. In fact, यहाँ पर आपको 3 headrests मिलते हैं which are not available on the Dzire. But the sad part here is the rear AC vents, they protrude a little too much into the center passenger's legroom. उसी के साथ आपको यहाँ पर USB charger का option भी नहीं मिलता है. And the Amaze also comes with a larger boot in comparison to the Dzire. While Amaze's trunk volume stands at 416 liters, the Dzire gets a 382 liters of boot volume. The rear seat experience feels a little more spacious on the Dzire, although the seat scope is not as wide as the Amaze, thereby not offering as much under thigh support as the Amaze. But what I like here are these dual tone finishes. जहाँ Amaze के rear door पर आपको एक blacked out theme देखने को मिलता है, Dzire में beige theme को carry किया गया है. Also, rear AC vents are so smartly placed that they do not protrude a lot in the center passenger's legroom as was the case in Amaze. Also, with this seat set to my driving position, I think I have little more legroom on the Dzire than that was on the Amaze. But the under thigh support, that's where the Amaze scores better. Also, the Dzire misses out on a center passenger's headrest, but It does get two USB charging ports which are not there on the Amaze. Talking of prices, the Dzire starts at rupees 6.84 lakh and goes up to 10.19 lakh rupees ex showroom. वहीं Amaze की कीमत शुरू होती है 8,10,000 रुपए से और जाती है 11,30,000 रुपए तक। ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएंट्स की बात करी जाए तो Dzire का चीपेस्ट ऑटोमेटिक ट्रिम आ जाता है 8,34,000 रुपए का। वहीं Amaze's cheapest automatic variant will set you back by rupees 9.35 lakh। हालांकि Amaze के बेस वेरिएंट में आपको Dzire के मुकाबले काफ़ी सारे फीचर्स ज़्यादा मिलते हैं, बट स्टिल द Amaze demands a premium for the range topping variants as well. Now before I start talking about the performance and drivability, there's one important aspect to touch upon. It's safety. और इस लिहाज में यह चीज़ें थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग हो जाती है बिकॉज Dzire को मिलती है 5 स्टार ग्लोबल NCAP क्रैश टेस्ट रेटिंग, जबकि Amaze की ग्लोबल NCAP रेटिंग्स आनी अभी बाकी है। बट इट्स द Amaze दैट कम्स विद ADAS फीचर्स। But talking of passive safety features, both of these cars get over a dozen of them as standard fitment, like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, seat belt alerts, rear parking sensors and more. Under the hood, both of these cars get 1.2 liter engines, लेकिन दोनों में एक stark difference है। जहां Amaze को एक 4-cylinder engine मिलता है, Dzire has now moved to a 3-cylinder layout. दोनों ही नेचुरली एस्पिरेटेड यूनिट हैं और Amaze में आपको 90 हॉर्स पावर का पीक आउटपुट मिलता है, वहीं Dzire टॉप्स आउट एट अराउंड 82 हॉर्सेस। ऑन पेपर इट्स द Amaze that sounds more powerful, but in the real world conditions I found the Dzire to be little more brisky, क्योंकि वहाँ पर आपको एक 3-cylinder मोटर मिलता है। You also get a stronger low end grunt and mid range, whereas in Amaze the power is largely reserved around the red line. But the Amaze is inherently more quiet and more refined because of its 4-cylinder architecture. Dzire में आपको ज़्यादा माइलेज मिल जाता है for both automatic and manual trims, जो कि लगभग 25 किलोमीटर प्रति लीटर के आसपास क्लेम किया जाता है। वहीं Amaze में ये फिगर घट के 19 किलोमीटर प्रति लीटर हो जाता है। अब बात करी जाए हैंडलिंग की, वेल Swift certainly feels little more quick and little more agile thanks to its lightweight architecture. On the other hand, Amaze feels slightly hefty. Amaze का स्टीयरिंग व्हील भी थोड़ा सा भारी महसूस होता है in comparison to the Dzire, which is a boon to manage in city. Also, talking of ride, it's the Swift that offers a little more comfortable ride. Well, the Amaze also goes over potholes and bumps without showing any tantrum or drama. But I personally liked the ride quality and handling of the Dzire over the Amaze. दोनों ही गाड़ियों में आपको मैनुअल और ऑटोमेटिक गियरबॉक्स की चॉइसेस भी मिल जाती हैं। Dzire में आपको एक 5-स्पीड मैनुअल और एक 5-स्पीड AMT का ऑप्शन मिलता है, वहीं Amaze में आपको एक 5-स्पीड मैनुअल और एक CVT का ऑप्शन मिलता है। For people who want a more pocket-friendly option, I think AMT will fit best to their build, whereas those who want a more soothing driving experience, seamless driving experience, I think they should pick up the Amaze's CVT. However, it comes with a lot of rubber band effect, which is inherent to CVT. Yes, the AMT is slightly jerky, but I think the manual on the Swift feels a little more spirited in comparison to the Amazes, whereas the clutch travel is also light on the Dzire. So which one should you buy? Well, going by the sales figure, the Maruti Suzuki Dzire is a clear winner. But I'll say that if you want a car that is not a common sight on the road, in fact it looks a little more premium than its rival, comes with a 4-cylinder engine and wears a Honda badge, it has to be the Amaze. But if you want a car that offers better mileage, smarter interior and better resale value along with Maruti Suzuki's trusted and reliable after-sales service network, it has to be the Dzire. With all of it being said, I still feel that sales tally do define why the Dzire is a clear winner here. So what do you guys think of these cars? Let us know in the comments below that which one is a clear winner in your dictionary. Also, if you like the video, do press the thumbs up button. इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do that right away. And also click on the bell icon so that you're notified for all our future uploads. For now, I'm your host Mohit Bhardwaj. I'll take a leave.